What is up, y'all? It's your girl Jaz'Men in real life. Happy Vlogmas. Good morning. Whatever it is, y'all. So I'm looking kind of rough. I'm getting a late start to my day, but let me tell you, y'all. So today we about to try this wing recipe that I saw on TikTok. It looks so good. As you can tell, I am very excited. I love hot wings. Like, if you can relate, like this video right now because hot wings is it, okay? But first, I'm going to get myself together because, child, I'm looking crazy. And then I'm going to head to Walmart before these kids get out of school. So, yeah, y'all, let's get started. So I'm back from Walmart. I picked up everything that I needed for the TikTok recipe. I feel like I got the wrong wings, but at this point, it is what it is. This is all they had left. And the girl didn't really specify on the TikTok recipe which hot wings she used, which kind of grind my gears, but we're gonna keep it pushing. I had vegetable oil, some garlic, some sesame seeds, crushed red pepper, barbecue sauce, and of course hot sauce. So when the chicken is done baking in the oven, or when it get close to being done, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna start the sauce. Alright, y'all, so now I'm going to start. I have my oil in the pan, and I'm going to add my garlic. And I'll put all the information that the girl provided in the link in my bio. I definitely have the wrong chicken, like, for sure, for sure. It's going to be extra hot, I think. Ooh, it smells good already. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to add this to a separate bowl like the girl said in the video. Alright, y'all, so now I'm going to add the barbecue sauce and the hot sauce. So I had to switch to my vlogging camera. So this is how the sauce is looking. I feel like it's supposed to be a looser texture, but I don't know what to do about that. But I'm gonna set this aside until my wings get done cooking. All right, y'all, so the chicken is finally done. It felt like it took forever, so I know I just brought the wrong chicken. On the TikTok title, it say 15-minute wing recipe. This ain't it. But now I'm gonna put my wings in the sauce. Wings are in the bowl, and now I'm just gonna shake like the girl did in the video, and it is not shaking.
It might be frozen.
It's not frozen. Let me use this. I was trying to be fancy like the girl in the video. I really wish you guys could smell these things. They smell so good. So now I'm about to put them on my little plate. Nothing fancy.
You're right, Mommy.
Hmm?
You're right.
Huh?
They do smell good.
Yeah. Alright, y'all. So now for the important part, I'm about to see how they taste.
Is this one, Mommy?
Come here. It's spicy. It's good. Yo. Ooh, it's good. Oh my gosh, y'all. This sauce is so good. It's nice and spicy. You okay?
Yeah, it's good. And then when they done it, it is so hot.
Ain't it good? It's spicy, ain't it? Alright, y'all, so my son and my dad approved of these hot wings, so I highly recommend that you try these. If you're having like an event that you gotta bring a dish, sis, bring these hot wings, okay? They are lit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you try it, let me know. What's up, Deuce? Okay, hold on. If you try this recipe, let me know what you think down below. I found it on TikTok. Honey, TikTok be having the answers too, okay? But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.